Hey guys, today I'm back with this yellow and pink animal print bikini mani. This was painted for the My Crazy Bikini Challenge hosted by the girls at the Crazy Mani Collab, and I hope you enjoy. So since this is a crazy bikini, I painted my nails with this bright neon yellow from Cirque Colours. It's from the Vice collection called Hedonist. I've already raved about how much I like this collection before. And on my thumbs, this was what I tested out which colours I was going to use. I weren't sure whether to go for the light pink or the darker pink. So I ended up choosing the darker pink. It's Fried Yay from Twinkle Tea and my Moyu London Pro 03 stamping plate. I just stamped this sort of zebra tiger print. And because my nails are too long, I'm stamping the top part right at my cuticle so it fills up most of the nail. But obviously you can see at the bottom it wasn't all the way. So I'm just re-stamping that design again. And then I'm just placing it a little bit at the bottom to try and make it look like sort of blend. And because I stamped it into it and ruined it, I'm just filling it in a bit with that yellow polish to fill in the dent. And here I'm just using acetone and a cleanup brush to clean. So using Castle from Picture Polish, I loved this because it actually looks like sand with hollowing. I painted for my accent now, which is 2 coats for this. And because I'm doing some painting with acrylic paint, I applied a glossy top coat and waited for that to dry for 20 minutes. And then with a black acrylic paint, I'm just painting the outline of a woman's body with a bikini. And using the scratching method, I'm sort of fixing as I go along. You don't need me to describe how to paint a woman in a bikini. Once I was happy with the picture I'd drawn, I just filled in her bikini with the yellow from the previous nails. Then I just filled in her skin with a light nude colour. And for this, I found that if I applied the polish quite thickly, it sort of blended into each other, so you didn't get those awkward streaks. So that's just a note when you're painting with nail polish. Careful between her cleavage. And there you go, that's that. So once all that was dry, I'm going in with my striping brush and that Fry Yay polish. And I'm just creating my own little animal print since my stamping plate was too big. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these crazy animal print bikini nails. I'm so happy with these, they're great. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.